guys to this U-King LED uplight RGBW stage lighting effect. This is by DMX, which is a sound activated control light. This is perfect for basically weddings, churches, or basically any kind of stage show that you have. I have to say that this is extremely powerful in its lighting effects. So for example, when I use this on my neighborhood, I can see across the entire lot, which comes to show just how powerful this is. This also comes with 2 bars and a few screws that you can screw on that basically provides a handlebar for whatever you want to put it up onto. This is great because of the durability. As you can see, you have a mode up, down, and enter. It also comes with a pamphlet on how you like to use this light because it uses both rainbow, red light, and regular lighting. And you can also change the disco static ability. This also goes with sound effects, so that means if you are playing a song, this will go along with the song rhythm. This is incredible light that you just definitely need to have. It's so powerful and so useful and just such a great tool that is perfect for inviting guests and having a great time.